In this video, we are going to learn about how to find the derivatives of the logarithmic functions. So here we will solve few examples. Before that, we will learn the derivative of log function. Natural log is usually denoted it as log x or ln of x, that is natural log x, or log base e x. So the derivative of log x is d by dx of log x equal to 1 divided by x. So log x differentiation is 1 by x. So now we will solve few examples. So first one is d by dx of log x square. Okay, in the place of x we have x square. So the differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So log x square is 1 by x square into, this is only for log, that is 1 by x square. For the x square term we have to differentiate with respect to x. So that is 2x. So if you simplify, you will get 2x divided by x square. One x value will get cancelled. So we have 2 by x. Next example. So d by dx of 4 into log x. In this value, 4 is a constant, so we are keeping it outside, and we have to differentiate only for the log term. So log x differentiation is 1 divided by x. So answer is 4 by x. Next example, d by dx of log x cube. So again this is log x formula, that is 1 by x. So here we have, in the place of x we have x cube. So 1 by x cube into, now the function x cube differentiation is 3x square. So here x square, x cube will get cancelled. So 3 divided by x. Next example, d by dx of log 5x. Okay, suppose in the place of x we have 5x. So the differentiation is 1 by 5x into, so the differential of this 5x is 5. Okay, so log differentiation is 1 by 5x and this 5x differentiation is 5. So this 5 and 5 will get cancelled. So we have 1 by x. Next example, d by dx of log of sin x. Okay, here we have log of sin x. Okay, so first we have to differentiate for the log term and then we have to differentiate for sin x. So first assume this is log x. So what is log x differentiation? 1 by x. So in the place of x we have sin x. So 1 by sin x. So log sin x differentiation is 1 by sin x into, now sin x differentiation. Sin x differentiation is nothing but cos x. That is equal to, so this is cos x divided by sin x. So what is the value of cos x by sin x? That is nothing but cot x. Next example, log of 7x plus 5 minus x square. So differential of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by 7x plus 5 minus x square into, now we have to differentiate for this equation 7x plus 5 minus x square. So first term 7x differentiation is 7, x differentiation is 1, plus 5, that is constant 0, minus x square differentiation is 2x. So answer is 7 minus 2x divided by 7x plus 5 minus x square. Next example, we have log of log x. Okay, so first we have to differentiate for the first log term and then we have to differentiate second log term. So that is, so log of log x, assume this log x to be some x value. So log x formula is 1 by x. So that is 1 by log x into, next differential of this log x term. So log x differentiation is nothing but 1 by x. So if you multiply, you will get 1 by x into log x. So the differential of log x is 1 by x into log x. Next example, d by dx of log of x square plus a square. So differential of log of x square plus a square. So first log x differentiation is 1 by x. So here we have x square plus a square. So 1 divided by x square plus a square into this x square plus a square differentiation. So first term x square differentiation is 2x plus a square differentiation is 0 because a is a constant value. Here we are differentiating with respect to x. So this a is a constant. So constant differentiation is 0. So we have simply 2x. So 2x divided by x square plus a square. Next example is differential of log of 6x plus 2. So first log x differentiation, that is 1 by x. So in the place of x we have 6x plus 2 into 6x differentiation, that is 6. Next differentiation is 1 plus 2 is a constant value. So 2 differentiation is 0. Okay. So 6x plus 2 differentiation is only we have 6. So the answer is 6 divided by 6x plus 2. Next example, d by dx of log base 4x. So how to differentiate this? Here we have log x, but here in the base we have 4. So for this we have to use the formula, that is d by dx of log base a x equal to x dash divided by x into log a. Okay, just substitute the values here. So that is d by dx of log base 4 x equal to, so 1 divided by, so what is x? We have x here, log, in the place of a we have 4. So log 4 into differential of x. X differentiation is 1 because we are differentiating x with respect to x. So that is 1. So the answer is 1 divided by x log 4. Next example, d by dx of log base 3 x square. So how to differentiate this? Just substitute the values in the formula. So first, that is x dash. X dash is differential of x. So here in the place of x we have x square. So x square differentiation is 2x divided by, so what is x? That is x square into log a. A value is 3 here. So the answer is 2x divided by x square into log 3. So here we will cancel one x value. So we will get 2 by x log 3. Next we have d by dx of log base 5 into tan x. So first we have to write 1 divided by x value. X value in the problem is, that is tan x. So tan x into log, we have to write the base value. Base value is 5. Now we have to differentiate x value. So in this problem x value is nothing but tan x. So tan x differentiation is secant square x. So the answer is secant square x divided by tan x into log 5. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.